Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to use gradient tool in Photoshop. The gradient tool is present on the tools panel. The icon looks like a rectangle and it is easy to spot. Go to the top panel and click on the gradient picker. This will open the menu with different presets. Select the one you want to use. Simply click and drag the mouse on the window and create a beautiful gradient. There are several presets available by default in Photoshop, but if you're not happy with the variety, you can add more. Click on Settings and find the option that says Photographic Toning. Click OK and this would load several new presets to your gradient picker. You can use any of them in your design. If you want to restore your default preset, go to the Settings in Gradient Picker and click on the Reset Gradient. Photoshop comes with 5 different gradients. These include linear, radical, angle, reflected, and diamond. You can select the one you want to use from the top panel. Each of these gradients can be used to create different designs. You can try out these different styles to find the one that is suitable for your design. You can also use the color of your choice to create the gradient if you pick the preset that says foreground to background. Select the foreground and background colors you want to use by clicking on the colors on the tool panel. This will open the color picker. After selecting the colors, draw a gradient to blend the two shades together. There's something you must keep in mind. It might not be such a good idea to use it with photographs or other images. The gradient tool does not work on bitmap images or the index color images. You can still use gradient tool to add colorful background to your photographs by first making the background of your image transparent. Add a layer beneath the image and fill it with gradient. Now that you know how to use gradient tool in Photoshop, you can use it in all kinds of designs, from posters to pamphlets, and you can use the tool anywhere. Gradient can help you make some really cool designs, but you need to keep practicing to become a pro at it. That's all for today. See you all next time.